this place. It's where leaders hangs out. I sneaked in once and found out their secret skill. Aren't I a genius? So basically our role is to solve problems. If you do not have communication, none of that will happen. Okay? Not being mean, I'm just being honest here. Alright, wait. Do you hear that? Oh, me. I want to join. Are you gonna join me and the rest of the world? Because communication matters. If you really want to join, sign up now. Right now. ASAP. Stop whatever you're doing and now. And share these links with your BFFs. Alright, hold on.